Hello, party people, and welcome to another day of multicultural research and studies. Today, I'm just going to give you a quick overview of the Gale database, which is the research database that you are going to be encouraged to use all throughout this course and for other courses as well. So if you look on our Schoology page, okay, on this materials section, this main page, you'll notice that right here, there is a link for it called Gale database. Everyone has the same password. That password is Cougars. So I'm going to click on this. It's going to prompt me to enter that password. So I'm going to type in Cougars. I will sign in. All right. So this is the Gale in Context site. What this basically is, once again, is a research database. So it has articles, pictures, videos, all kinds of credible sources. So we're going to talk about in this particular course what that means, a credible source, how you're citing that information or using the information in any kind of research project, applicable to not only this class, but other classes as well. So this site is a great place to find all that credible information. And you can search by a topic. You can go by, you can browse a particular topic. You can look through with each topic. It'll tell you, what the different articles and videos and pictures that are there. So if I were to come up here and I were just to type, in general racism, okay, it'll give you all of this information. So it'll tell you any reference materials, which are usually articles, any biographies, so things about people, images, videos. So if I were to click on one of these links, right, it even lets you know the Lexile level. So what you can do that's really great about Gale is that you can go through and you can actually, highlight things and make notes, and you can even save it to your Google Drive. So up here in the top right-hand corner where it says sign in with Google. So I'm going to sign in with Google. Shabam. So now anything I do in here, I can save to my Google Drive. So if I wanted to use this article for some kind of project, I can send it right to my Google Drive, and the Google Drive will actually create a folder that will list, that will have a list of all the articles that I've saved. So any kind of, notes or annotations that I make to it will all show up in that folder. Throughout the each article or each resource, you'll notice that there are highlighted links. This will take you to other pages or articles about that particular topic. Sometimes in between, there'll be a sidebar, which tells you a little bit more about the topic in general. And then, of course, on the right-hand side here, you'll see some related subjects. So if you're, looking more specifically at social justice or racial profiling, this will lead you to articles about that. And then last but not least, what I wanted to show you is up here in the right-hand corner, you'll see this little tool that says Cite. So when it's actually time to do your works cited page, all right, you would click this little Cite button and the citation is done for you. You don't have to enter anything, links, whatever, it's already done. You would just copy and paste this onto your works cited page, which again is really awesome. You can even export it to your Google Drive, which again, it will save it right into your Google Drive. So let's say that I've read this article, I've made some notes in it, I've highlighted things, great. Okay, so now I'm going to save this to my Google Drive. All right, okay. So when I go to my Google Drive, all right, it created a folder right here, Gale in Context, middle school. And ta-da, there's the article. And it has all, I highlighted that one piece. It saved all of my highlights, my notations right there in the article. So if I need to come back and use information in here, it's right there. It has all the information, the entire article. And again, if I made any notes or edits to it, okay. And then at the bottom here, it then has the citation, which I showed you that citation tool. But if you save it to your Google Drive, then it's already there. All right, so that was just a brief overview of Gale in Context. Remember that you can use it for finding articles, you can use it for videos, you can use it for images, audio files. All of these are considered credible sources. So when you go to research any topic in this class, you should always start here in Gale in Context. And again, you can access that from our page. Okay, the password is the same for everybody, Cougars. Once you get in, you can log in as your own Google account, And that way it shows up that anything you save will go right into your Google Drive. So that is it for today. If you have any questions about the Gale in context or any other research questions, of course, you can reach out to me through my office hours or via email.